You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Fourth Wing. For more names from the Empyrean, make sure to stay tuned. Got loads of character names that are a bit confusing, so if you're struggling to pronounce, stay tuned. Andarnaurram, Andarnaurram or Andarnaurram, Andarnaurram. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.